Hey guys, it's Mariana.
And I'm his favorite co-host Milton.
And good morning, America. Are you serious?
It's Good Morning America.
It's Garfield.
It's Good Morning America.
It's Good Morning Garfield.
It's America.
Milton, get out.
Okay.
Get out.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Get out. It was the first show, dude. Are you serious?
You started it.
I didn't start anything.
No, you started it.
Anyway, this month is Mental Health Awareness Month, and the quote of the day is, "Mental health problems don't define who you are. They are something you experience. You walk in the rain and you feel the rain, but you are not the rain."
Today is Friday, October 11th, Cycle F, Day 1. Mari, are you excited that's Friday?
Yeah, I am actually.
Yeah, new cycle too.
How are you feeling that it's the first episode though?
I'm good, because I was born ready.
Really?
Yep.
Well then get ready, because we have a lot to talk about this episode.
Like what?
Like the clubs, duh.
Sandwich clubs?
No, like after school clubs, you know, like drama club, power no, student government.
Wait, it's just in. I got a word that Miss Newman is coming in for an interview about
No
theater
way.
performance. Yeah.
Really?
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Newman. I am the theater club advisor as well as the director, and I also teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade theater.
Yay!
Thanks, Milton.
You're welcome, Miss Newman.
Okay, so how are you feeling about our first episode of Good Morning Garfield?
So excited. Thank you for having me, guys. This is a great setup.
Of course. So, Miss Newman, you've been directing shows for years now. Last year it was Shrek and Wizard of Oz. So, my question is, what's been your favorite?
Oh man, I think Shrek might have been it last year. It was really fun. We had great audiences, and the costumes and sets were so fun, and mostly done by the kids, which was really awesome.
Cool.
How long have you been interested in theater for?
Jeez, probably since I was 5. My first show was actually Wizard of Oz, and I played the Munchkin Mayor.
And what advice would you give to students that have never tried theater before?
That's a great question, Milton. Well, I would say that anyone can be involved. You don't have to just be on stage, you can also help behind the scenes. And I want to let everyone know that, you know, we're always looking for new talent, whether you are doing makeup or costumes or you are the star of the show. And shameless little plug about myself, if you've ever watched the show Malcolm in the Middle, the littlest brother Dewey, I taught him acting when he was a kid.
So, Ms. Newman, what's the hardest part about putting on a performance for you?
That's a great question, Mariana. I would say putting everything together. It's easy enough to cast a show and to decide on costumes and props and where characters are going to stand at any given time. But when you get it all together, that's when the chaos ensues.
Anyways, the next question. What's your favorite part of putting on a performance?
Great question. I would say my favorite part is watching everybody come together and really become a family, kind of like a sports team. If you like sports, you might like theater too.
So, just to finish
Wait. I want to ask the last question. What's your main goal?
Oh, great question, both of you. I would say my main goal is to get more kids to realize how much fun theater is. We are doing 2 shows right now, shameless plug. We're doing Taming of the Shrew and Macbeth, which are 2 famous Shakespeare plays. We're doing 30-minute versions, and we would love to get more people involved, especially boys.
Well, thank you, Ms. Newman, for being here with us.
Thanks for having me, guys.
It
This
was
was
a
awesome.
great time. And remember, if you want to join theater, you can find Ms. Newman in the auditorium. And it's time to talk about...
Actually, Milton, I got this. Now it's time to talk about the weather with the 7th graders.
Good morning, Garfield Middle School. We are the weather crew. We are here to deliver the weather for the next 5 days. On Saturday, it will be very beautiful. It will be a high of 70 degrees, so make sure you go outside and enjoy the sunshine.
On Sunday, more like partly cloudy day. We have a high of 61, so you might want to bring a sweater.
On Monday, it's going to be a high of 63 degrees, but a 75% chance of rain, so prepare for the worst.
On Tuesday, it'll be 57 degrees and mostly sunny. In the morning, make sure you bring a light jacket.
On Wednesday, it's going to be mostly sunny with a high of 66, so you might want to go outside and enjoy the sunshine. And that's all for the 5-day weather forecast.
Bye.
Bye.
Nice job, 7th graders, with the weather report. Well, it looks like we're gonna have really nice days.
I guess, but Monday is gonna be a little messy though.
Like the soccer player?
No, Milton. Why would I be talking about the soccer player?
I don't know.
Actually, talking about messy, I want to say, actually, you know what? Give me my own camera for this because I'm actually gonna go off right now. I want to talk about something real quick because I don't know about you guys, but I don't love using the bathrooms here because they are actually so gross. It's wild. Like, there's stuff on the floor, there's stuff on the ceilings, there's stuff on the wall. It's disgusting in there, and I don't understand why. Because as a Power of No member, we invested $10,000 into those bathrooms to renovate them last year just for them to be like absolutely trashed this year. And we specifically did it so that the next 6th graders could have a good bathroom to use at this school because so many students were complaining about how disgusting the bathrooms were, and now they are the way they were last year. So honestly, us as a school, we need to do better to fix the issues going on in the bathroom because it's not just appearing by itself.
Well, Mari, you did a very good job and you absolutely cooked out there.
Thank you.
Well, I do agree with you though. We do need to clean up after ourselves.
Yeah, but we all gotta start somewhere, you know?
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, that's the end of our episode, and that's all we have for you today. So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.